What is the word Basecamp? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm always happy to answer it. In this video, I'm going to explain what the word Basecamp means, how it came to be, and how it's used today. I'll also share some tips on how to use Basecamp effectively. So, if you're interested in learning more about Basecamp, or if you're just curious about the word, then please watch this video. What is the word Basecamp? The word Basecamp is a noun that refers to a base of operations or a starting point for an expedition. It is often used in the context of mountaineering, but it can also be used in other contexts, such as business and project management. The word Basecamp is thought to have originated from the French word base, which means foundation. It is first recorded in English in the early 19th century. How did the word Basecamp come to be? The word Basecamp is thought to have originated from the French word base, which means foundation. It is first recorded in English in the early 19th century. The word Basecamp is often used in the context of mountaineering, but it can also be used in other contexts, such as business and project management. How is the word Basecamp used today? The word Basecamp is used today in a variety of ways. It can be used to refer to a physical location, such as a campsite or a headquarters. It can also be used to refer to a virtual space, such as a website or an online community. Here are some examples of how the word Basecamp is used today. A mountaineering team sets up a base camp at the foot of a mountain. A company sets up a base camp in a new city. A project manager creates a Basecamp project to keep track of all the tasks and deadlines. A group of friends creates a Basecamp community to stay in touch. Tips for using Basecamp effectively. If you're looking to use Basecamp, here are a few tips. Choose the right plan for your needs. Basecamp offers a variety of plans, so you can choose the one that's right for you. Set up your workspace. Once you've chosen a plan, you'll need to set up your workspace. This includes creating projects, adding users, and setting up permissions. Use the features that are available to you. Basecamp offers a variety of features, such as to-do lists, calendars, and chat. Make sure you're using the features that are most relevant to your needs. Stay organized. Basecamp can be a great way to stay organized, but it's important to take the time to set up your workspace and to use the features that are available to you. The word Basecamp is a versatile word that can be used in a variety of ways. It is a valuable tool for staying organized and keeping track of your projects. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the word Basecamp. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Basecamp, please visit the Basecamp website. You can also sign up for a free trial of Basecamp to see how it can help you stay organized and productive. Thank you for watching.